I am beyond excited to announce that you will now have the capability to create a report just specifically for your downloads. So, just as a refresher, to access your reports would be from the left hand vertical toolbar if you go to Reports and then Reports in your drop down menu. And then if you come to your list of base reports, you'll now see Download Log. So, if you select Download Log, then you will have the capability to create a report for downloads, and these are the different features that you would be able to see in your download report. So maybe I only wanted to see downloads for just one specific policy type, or I only wanted to see downloads from one specific company. You will have the capability to filter and sort depending on what you're wanting to see in your download log. So let's say I wanted to only see downloads that have come in the last 30 days. You report. And these are my downloads that have come in the last 30 days. I can see very clearly here the company that these downloads are from. And my client is here as well as the agency code, the NAIC code, policy numbers, the policy type, what the purpose of the download was, whether that's new business, a cancellation, a renewal, whatever the case may be, and the date for that transaction. So we hope this is going to be helpful for your agency for going forward. I know many of you have requested this, so I'm very excited to announce that you will now have the access to the download log in your reports.